Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Biology Articles and MCQs. In the previous video you have studied about the joints classification. We were studying the joint classification on the basis of the structure. On the basis of the structure you have studied there are three types of joints: the fibrous joints, cartilaginous joints, and third one is synovial joints. In the previous videos you have learned about the fibrous and cartilaginous joints. Today's video is about the synovial joint, so let's move to it. We will learn about the synovial joint. The main will be the structure of the synovial joint, and second will be the function of the synovial joint, and then we will move towards the types of the synovial joint. According to the structure of the synovial joint, there is a cavity present in the synovial joint. You can see that there are two bones and there is a cavity present between them. You can remember that this cavity is not present in any other joint. It is only the main feature of the synovial joint. The cavity is filled with a fluid that is mainly called synovial fluid. This synovial fluid is enclosed in a membrane that is called synovial membrane. You can see that green membrane is synovial membrane. There is another portion or you can say that there is another membrane that is also covering the synovial membrane, and that third membrane is called capsule. This capsule can be called as articular capsule or simply a fibrocapsule. So according to the structure of the synovial joint, the cavity is filled with the synovial fluid, and synovial fluid is enclosed in a membrane that is synovial membrane, and synovial membrane is also covered by a capsule that is articular capsule or a fibrous capsule or a simply fibrocapsule. The main examples of the synovial joint are elbow joint, shoulder joint, and knee joint. You can remember that these three joints, elbow, shoulder, and knee joints, are freely movable joints. So you can say that all the synovial joints are always freely movable. The main function of the synovial joint is that it will reduce the friction between the bones. Why it will reduce the friction between the bones? Because of the presence of main thing, that is synovial fluid here. The synovial joint have many types further. First one is a saddle joint. The second is hinge joint. The third is ball and socket joint. Fourth one is planar joint. Then condyloid joint, and last is pivot joint. All these 6 joints differ on the basis of their structure. In the next video you will learn about these joints one by one in detail. So you can wait for the next video. And one important announcement is that I am going to upload an interesting video every week. This week's interesting video has been uploaded, so you can watch them. Thank you so much.